Professor Fiona Stanley is a world-renowned researcher, and her vision for this hospital was for it to become a centre of research excellence. Fiona Stanley Hospital is a research-focused organisation. We conduct clinical trials and investigator-initiated research projects to improve patient care and offer different treatment options. Evidence shows research-active hospitals have better patient outcomes and deliver better, safer care. All research projects have rigorous ethics and governance reviews and approvals to ensure research is conducted with a high level of safety, quality, integrity and effectiveness, and demonstrate respect for participants.
Research projects may involve new drugs, devices, or procedures, or involve surveys or collecting samples. Medical staff strive to find ways to improve patient care and quality of life and have different treatment options available. Medical research is a fascinating aspect of clinical care that is part of our day-to-day core business. The South Metropolitan Health Service is creating a positive, inclusive, collaborative research culture that supports and enables researchers to conduct high-quality research projects across all its health sites. We are building research capacity and capability in our health system to enhance and promote world-class research. It is so important that patients and the community are involved in our research projects and in the dissemination of findings to embed the research into day-to-day clinical care.
Nurses and midwives are in a unique position to conduct research into patient care from patient and staff perspectives, staffing models, clinical education, management and leadership. Our organisation aims to facilitate evidence-based practice and to foster critical inquiry leading to the identification and investigation of practice-based issues, and ultimately improving nursing and midwifery care for patients and their families. For example, our nurses and midwives are conducting groundbreaking research in patient sleep in the intensive care unit, type 1 diabetes, renal cell cancer and heart failure management, as well as workplace support for our staff, agency and student nurses. Research improves the safety and quality of patient care and is part of our nurses and midwives' core business.
Research is conducted by doctors, nurses and allied health professionals who often collaborate, so we have multidisciplinary teams involved in research projects. I encourage staff to be curious and ask, what can we do better? To pose research questions and find solutions. Research is everyone's business, and we encourage patients and our community to get involved, to participate, help us design and manage projects, help translate the findings back into practice or into the community. Research is at the heart of what we do, improving the health and well-being of our community.
Allied health services encompass 9 professional disciplines in our hospitals: audiology, dietetics, clinical psychology and neuropsychology, exercise physiology, occupational therapy, physiotherapy, podiatry, social work, and speech pathology. Our physiotherapists and exercise physiologists are conducting some amazing research projects looking at the benefits of exercise to enhance patients' recovery after several types of surgeries, and to also improve outcomes in people with heart disease. Our audiologists conduct research into hearing loss and hearing restoration, which has benefited patients worldwide. Our occupational therapists and physiotherapists are involved in novel research exploring the use of tools such as virtual reality and telehealth to enhance patients' outcomes. Through research partnership with our patients and the community, our researchers are finding innovative new ways to deliver best practice patient care.
My interest in clinical trials is to enable patients to have the opportunity to be exposed to the latest cutting-edge technology or devices, and similarly to be exposed or to receive the latest advances in medical drug therapy. To facilitate this, we do test different types of therapy between different patient groups But this means that both patients in each group, if they're being compared, are both being exposed to the state-of-the-art therapy available today. And by comparing the outcomes between these two groups, we can inform patients in the future what the best therapy is moving forwards. So clinical trials and research are a means by which patients can help us to help them in the future.
Involving consumers and the community in research projects is highly beneficial and the right thing to do. The consumer can bring the lived experience to the research project, which provides the researcher invaluable information to ensure that the research includes elements that will not only benefit patients, but will improve their quality of life. Involvement can be at many different stages of the research project, such as study design through to translation of the research findings, and at many different levels, from consulting consumers on the language or terms being used to having consumers represented on the research team itself. Community groups can be great advocates and assist with study design, applicability, and translation of findings back into the community. This organisation promotes active and genuine partnering with consumers and the community in all of our research projects.
Spinnaker Health Research Foundation has a 24-year history of supporting research that informs the care you receive in our hospitals. We fund innovative research projects and provide grants so that our researchers can travel throughout the world to share their findings and to learn from international colleagues. We know that better research means better health, and we strive for earlier diagnosis, better treatment, and the highest standard of care. And we believe the greatest gift you can give is the gift of health. So please, help us help our researchers by donating today.
Thank you for watching this short video, and I hope this inspires you to get involved in research. Help us to deliver our vision of excellent healthcare every time.